How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. I'm going to take a quick look at Shiba Inu. It's not a token that I cover very often, but yeah, there's a lot of followers, Shibarmy. I was one of them for a period of time, and we're going to kick off with just running a quick fib from. We're going to go from the low to the high, and then we'll know exactly what we're looking at. So, just a tiny bit of back history, not that you're going to need it for Shib. This token took off in momentous ways. I think I forexed and I took out my investment, and from there this thing just went. So from there we've pretty much tailed off back to the point where I pulled out from. So let's just jump into the daily and see what's been going on. But on the weekly, it's just been tailing off for a vast amount of time. Now, I think in my previous video, I advised that we were falling into this downtrend, and we had a significant area of support here that we really could not break, and we spent 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5 days bouncing from it, and then we did pump. We had a little move which we were rejected. We didn't even make it to the 0.5 or possibly even the 618, but yeah, we didn't make it, and as such we've been following suit with Bitcoin, tailed off, came back to this support zone again, spent best part of a week there before we had a little dip lower, and then we had another run, and now we're completely tailing off and we're in danger of making a new all-time low. So what to look for, guys and girls, is, so we've just bounced from 25.32, which is really good to see, and we've been rejected at 27.57. So expect a period of consolidation within this zone, and if Shib doesn't break and have a really momentous pump soon, I think we're going to come down. I don't want to say that there is so many people invested in this. This is a I don't want to call it a gimmick, but it is a bit of a gimmick token. Yeah, so realistically, what to watch out for next will be period of consolidation. Might see a slight pump and retrace, and then off to the moon. Alternatively, we might lose support here, come back to 2-3, consolidate, and then start leveling down to 1784. I'd like to say that could be the low. However, I'm just going to turn that red because I don't. Actually, I'm going to turn it amber because it is a possibility. If we lose 1784, it is quite a steep correction, and we're gonna. Wow, that's huge. So from 1784, we'd actually drop back to 568. I can't see that playing out. I think that if we made it back to the 1774 range, we would see a protection bounce. Yeah, fingers crossed on a protection bounce. The RSI is looking good on the hourly. We're over the 50. Let's see where we are with the Ishimoku cloud. Let's bring up some indicators, see what's going on. Alright, we're above the cloud. This is good. This is very good. So essentially, this is not unsimilar to Gala. As you can see here, we've fallen. Right. Let me just draw this out so you can actually see what I'm looking at. So essentially, we've tried to break above the cloud after a period of consolidation. We've been rejected, didn't even make it in. Came back to 2637. Fortunately, made it above this resistance zone. Period of consolidation, back into the cloud. Rejected, held within, came out, and then we've dropped below. So the fact that we've made it above is quite bullish. It looks like we've just retested off of the cloud, and now what we need to do is maintain maintain support above this resistance zone here, which I'm going to mark, and I'll zoom out in a second to see exactly what that is. But if we just zoom in on the 5 minutes, see what's happening, see we're not holding. So best things we can hope for now is that we've wicked down, but I'm going to go into the minute. Very rarely I do this, guys, but yeah, we need to get back above this this support zone. I'm just going to zoom back out to the weekly to see what that would be. It's 786. No, we need to hold. We do need to hold that, otherwise we're going down. So yeah, I expect to see a protection bounce shortly, which may take us up to 319. If not, more than likely we will be tailing off. Yeah. Sorry, it's not better news, guys, but it looks like Shib wants to go lower. So yeah, look out for a protection bounce that could take us up to the 3040. There may even be a bigger scan wick up to 3593, but looking at this currently, Shib does want to go lower. So I will just put in that move. So from here, we'd be looking at something like that, maybe up to the cloud, and then rejection, and possibly tailing off. So busy chart, slightly messy chart. Do apologise, but there's a lot going on, and again, with Shiba, when it goes, it just takes off. But right now, it's looking really bearish. Yeah, how's the volume? Oh wow, it's that low, I couldn't even see it. Yeah, I think that says it all, guys. This one does want to come lower. So look out for a protection bounce, otherwise we'll be trailing off back down towards 1784, which I think would be the lowest we could go. Alright, thanks for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe for more. I don't always cover Shib, but I do cover most of the finance tokens because they're the ones that are most bullish at the moment. We've had a good green day with Bitcoin, so I'll be covering a few of the more popular altcoins. So yeah, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next one.